boat always. Where are we?
We made it.
We made it. Yay! There are 2 cruise ships in the harbor. Can you believe that? And there's our boat. And this is why you reserve a slip 6 months in advance to get here. How about that? And there, let's see, where are we? Okay. There's the Island House Hotel where we normally stay. Not this trip.
What did you say? But there are 10,000.
And the fort. There's the fort. And there's town right there. One, two, three. We got 3 burgers. That's a whole story in itself. How you like your burger?
Good.
Could be hotter. Long restaurant, but right out the back we got the water. Not like we haven't seen any water lately. Have we seen any water?
No.
No water. We're at Mission Point that we've always rode by on the bikes. This is Mission Point Theater. Fancy big beams up there holding up the roof. And we're going to see a movie. And what would be the appropriate free movie that they would show on Mackinaw Island? 3 guesses. 1, 2, 3. Somewhere in Time. So we're going to see that for free. Where are we, Joey? What are we waiting for?
Movie.
We're waiting for the movie. This is the lobby of the movie at Mission Point Resort. So they have a fireplace there. And looks like it's wood. There's real wood there, but I think maybe that might be decoration too, just like we have in Port Austin. But we got a neat fireplace going all the way
It's real.
up to the ceiling. Is heat coming off of that?
No.
No. Okay. The wood's real, but the fire is fake. And there's another fireplace on this end behind the tables. And the theater is right there. But we got there early. No movie for 40 minutes yet. Oh, this is the part of the lobby here outside of the theater. And we got the men's room here. And we actually have like a lounge area to sit here and wait before you go into the bathroom. That's funny. I don't think it's going to come out. Water is crystal clear. Beautiful day. That's the Island House Hotel on top there. Statue of Liberty. The fort right above us. Hey Joey, where are we now?
Lost.
We are lost. We were doing some geocaching and we got lost. And now we're here. Nice view from way up here. But we really are lost. Somebody told us turn this way, go down this little road, and we'll eventually find our way. There's a sailboat with one sail up. We're on top of Fort Mackinaw. There's a gun they fire many times a day. There's Joey. Don't lean too much. Don't lean too close against that. That's scary. And we got the sailboats and all kind of boats down there. There's our little boat. Yeah, during the War of 1812, the British had, they had to be careful when they were firing their cannons that they didn't hit the Mackinaw Bridge. And the fudge shops, they had to be careful not to hit the fudge shops down below. Ta-da! And there we are. And there's some baby crying.